This is so good.
I'm glad you like it, dear.
The noodles are so yummy. I love it.
This rain makes it cozier.
Okay, it's ready. Come on in. Wow, it's like a cave. Shine the light over there. It's our secret hideout.
See? Fold this corner up, like a triangle.
Okay, like this?
Yes, now pinch the bottom.
It's working.
Almost there. Now open it.
Wow.
Almost there.
It's dripping less.
Okay, check the seal now.
It's dry. Good job.
Thanks.
The raindrops look like little water bugs racing down the glass.
Almost dry now.
Feels good, thank you.
Look, that one is winning.
In a quiet forest, a little fox found a hidden path. The trees whispered secrets. The fox curled up, safe and warm, dreaming of adventures to come.
Mom, look at this one.
Oh, that's from our picnic.
Can we turn the page?
Of course, sweetie.
I love this book.
Me too.
Whoa, it's puffing up!
Keep it turning slowly, just like that.
Look at that golden glow!
Perfect. It's ready.
There, that's better. It's starting to glow.
It looks so warm. Let's keep going.
Almost there. Just a bit more.
It's magical now. Thank you.